Hello everyone. Today we will learn new concept that is Git Rebase. Till now we have seen what is Git commits, Git branches. We also seen the Git tags, and we learned how to merge a branch, and we also done the practicals. Today we will learn one more process that is rebasing. What was the merge? Merge was, for an example, you were developing new feature in some parallel branch, then it is about the maintaining the record in the same branch, in a main branch, using the merge process. So what used to happen if there is a multiple commits in both the branches, then it used to commit one more extra merge commit, here, and it used to merge the both the branches. Let's say it is feature one branch and this is the main branch. Okay, this is fine, this is good. But here what is happening, here I am creating one more extra commit, and second point is if I want to see the history, how I got to this commit and what is the changes has been done till to get to this point, I need to see this parallel branch also. Else I can't get the entire context. Okay. So basically merging is like a forming the knot between the two strings. So though it concatenate both the strings or both the ropes, but too many knots also is not a good thing. So here rebase comes into the picture. What happens in rebase? In rebase, for an example, this is my main branch, let's say. So here commits are occurring. This is my main branch. From here, let's say I started one more branch for version 1 and I have done here some more commits. So when I do rebase with respect to main, what will happen? This entire thing, the copy of this entire thing will come in front of it. So it will be something like this. Let me use here selector to explain you more proper way. So like this, here from here I will take and I will just put it in front of it like this. That is the basically the concept of rebase. Base has been changed. Okay, got it. Will this branch will be deleted? Actually not. You can still see this branch, but it has been rebased. That means this branch only, it is there in front of this. What if I delete this branch? Okay, you can delete this branch. Branch is nothing but the tag right now for it. Branch is nothing but kind of tag for it. So if I delete it, also tag will be deleted, all the commits will be saved properly. You can ask, hey, it looks familiar. And if you are thinking this, you are on point. Absolutely. Same concept we have used in fast forward merge. Just bringing the latest comment or latest set of comments in front of main branch. But will this occur every time in front of main branch only? So answer is not. Let's see here one more example. So here I have some set of commits, and from here branch started 1, 2. So in this scenario, main branch is ahead. So what will happen? These two commits will be rebased to here, in between this comment and this comment in main branch. So I hope you understood the concept and how rebasing is occurring. What if there was more comment here? There was more comment here, more than main branch. Then it would have gone to in front. It would have gone to in front. Though it is not a straightforward rule. For an example, if there is extra files in main branch and there is no extra files in other branch, then again Git will take some precautions. Git will try to avoid more and more merge conflict. Okay, but here is the general rule of thumb. Till the point it is common, till the point it is common in main branch, it will try to put the rebasing branch in front of that particular commit. Okay, for an example, there is more commit than main branch, then it will simply put in front of latest commit in the main branch. I hope you understood the concept. Now let's quickly do some practicals. So here again I am in Git learning repository. I will do ls. Here there are 5 files. Let me create one branch. Okay, let me create one branch. Let me first do git log to check the history and what my latest comment is. My latest comment is added f5. Let me create one branch, that is git checkout and -b, let's say b2. So branch 2 has been created. Let's do cat f5. So there is nothing. Nano f5. Let's add some line. Added line in f5 on b2. Okay, control S, control S. We know the drill. Always do git status first. Git status. There is one change. Git add all. And let's perform git commit -m. Added line in f5 on. Okay, that's great. Right now, if I do git log, I am ahead of main branch. Okay, I am ahead of main branch. Let me add one more file. Okay, let me add one more file. Let's do touch f6. Okay, now if I do git status, there will be one untracked file. Let's add it. Git add f6. Now git commit -m created f6 at b2. Now let me check git log. So there is latest commit. Now let's move back to main branch. Git checkout main. Okay, if I do git log here, there is no f6 or there is no latest commit. Let me clear it. Now I will perform the rebase. Git rebase and branch name. That's it. If I do git log now, what I can see? I can see both of this comment is there. Okay, that means rebase is occurred. Right? Now, I hope you understood the concept of rebase. In next video, we will see the git squash command. And then we will understand when to use git merge, when to use git rebase, and when to use squashing. Okay, and I would suggest do more practice, create more commits on both the branch, try to keep main ahead and secondary branch behind the main, try to and rebase them, try to keep secondary branch ahead of main and try to rebase it, and then you will get the clarity how things will behave in different scenario. Okay, so that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.